Welcome back to another TurnKey and Superior Edge project. This is our DNA center that we worked on earlier. We have a finished project now. We've got the CO for the project, and so I'm going to walk you through this office. Basically, this is your main front lobby where we are right here. And then as we walk on through, we'll get into the office space. This will be pretty much the office space here for business purposes. And then we'll come on further back. We'll have two client spaces that they can go in and do their samples or whatever they need to do in here. So pretty much that's the area of work. And then we got a nice little area back here. They're probably going to do some type of dry bar or whatever back here where they can have their snacks and they can have their lunch with a microwave or whatever in this area. And then this is just finally a utility closet to close off the electrical panel. And then of course you have the bathroom here, which we really didn't do any work to the bathroom. We just painted it. But as you can see, this is a finished product of all of the hard work to get this DNA center done in approximately about 2 weeks. So we thank you, and we'll see you soon on the next project.